In this lesson, we want to remind ourselves of how we deal with fractional indices. So when you look at these two examples, you will see that the index, the power, is a fraction. And so we should remind ourselves of what we do. The moment you see that the index is a fraction, then in order to work it out, if you're asked to evaluate it, is the fact that you're going to have a root. Now, a root is basically asking you what number multiplied by itself so many times will give you the number you're looking for. So pay close attention. So the first thing that's going to happen, anytime you have a fraction as an index, you're going to have to work out some kind of root. So you might as well draw your root box. And what will happen is the denominator is going to tell you the root, which in this case is going to be the cube root of 27. And when you find the answer, you're going to raise that answer to the power of 2. So in other words, we're going to have our root, the cube root of 27. And what is going to happen is the cube root of 27, we're going to find it. And when we get our answer, we're going to raise the answer to the power of 2. Well, the cube root of 27 means what number times itself 3 times will give you 27. And you should know that 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So that number is 3. And like I said, you're going to then raise that number to the power of 2. And so if you're asked to evaluate, the answer is 9. Similarly here, let's do the second example to help you see what we're doing. In this case, we're going to find the 5th root of 32. And when we find that answer, we're going to raise that answer to the power of 3. Well, the 5th root of 32 is 2 because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So that's 2. And we're told to raise it to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, which will be our answer. So just take that into your mind and understand that anytime you have a fraction as the index, the denominator, the bottom number, will tell you the root that you're finding of that number, of the base. And then when you have that root, you're going to raise it to the power of the numerator. So if you understand that, have a go at these questions. I'm sure you can get this all right now.